Hello, today we will guide you through how to find user ID in CapCut. If you need to locate your CapCut user ID, the process is quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step so you can find it easily without missing anything. Make sure your device is nearby and that you're ready to follow along inside the app. To begin, open the CapCut app on your device. Once the app launches, give it a moment to fully load. This helps ensure that all of your account information appears correctly on screen. If you are not already signed in, you may need to log into your account first before you can view your profile details. After the app is open, look toward the top left area of the screen. There, you should see your profile account section. Tap on that profile area to open your account page. This is where CapCut shows important details related to your account, including the information you're looking for. Once you enter the profile section, your user ID will be displayed at the top of the screen. In most cases, it appears clearly near your profile information, making it easy to identify. If you don't see it immediately, pause for a moment and let the page finish loading. Sometimes account details can take an extra second to appear, especially if your internet connection is slower. When you find the ID, it's a good idea to double check that you're viewing the correct number or label before using it anywhere else. If you need it for support, account verification, or another setup process, copying it carefully can help avoid mistakes. And that's all there is to it. To find your user ID in CapCut, simply open the app, tap your profile account in the top left corner, and then look at the top of the profile page where the ID is displayed. This is a simple process, but knowing exactly where to look can save you time. If you're following along for the first time, feel free to replay the steps and move at your own pace. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helped you quickly find your CapCut user ID.